Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat. Check out this hood right here. This is a metallic base coat on an old Cadillac. We had done this a while back. I'm going to show you how to clean this spot up. If you have a paint job that's hazy on the hood, roof, and trunk, you want to use this one. It's called Lukat Fix It. Now note, it's really hot right now. It's about almost 100 degrees. So this hood's hot. But note the way I clean. Back and forth, no circles. This is a cleaner, not a wax. You use this to remove all the contaminants, the oxidation and stuff. So this paint job here is not peeling, it's oxidized, it's hazy, but it will if you don't clean it. So the whole idea here is clean the paint first. That looks pretty good, but I can actually bring it out a little bit more. Lukat Fix It is not a shine, it's a cleaner. And the whole point of what I do is if your paint job doesn't look good, especially on the hood, roof, and trunk, don't wax it, guys, clean it. Clean it first, then you can use whatever wax you want to use afterwards. One of the reasons why you see so many paint jobs falling apart and peeling is because nobody really cleans them anymore. So that looks pretty good. Okay, this is called Lukat Fix It. It's a cleaner, not a wax. Now, this one here is called Easy Wax. It's what I call priming wax. I use this for cleaning as well. But it's a carnauba wax with polymer and copolymer conditions. It's called Easy Wax. It's easy because you can use it almost under any circumstance. It's really hot right now. I'm not worried about it breaking down and getting stuck on there. It's a cleaner. So if you have a newer car, it's not really oxidized but doesn't look as good, always compare the size of the swirls on the hood, roof, and trunk to the sides. You'll always notice that they look a lot smaller on the sides than they do on the top. And that right there interferes with the refraction or the reflection. Look how beautiful this came out. So use this right here. It's called Lukat Fix It. Look how beautiful that came out. This is permanent, guys. It's not gonna wash off because you cleaned it. And maintenance on this is, it's super easy. So get a hold of us at 505-304-8652 or go to Lukat, Lukat, detail.com and order your kit today. We'll ship it out to you the very next day. You sometimes the same day. Anyway, save yourself a ton of money doing it. Later, guys.
And please be sure to hit like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, like and subscribe this channel, please. Later.